Suyash bought 2.5 kg of sugar and Ashish bought 3.5 kg. How much sugar did they buy altogether? If sugar costs 32 rupees per kg, how much did they spend on the sugar they bought? You have to write the statement. Suyash bought sugar equal to 2.5 kg. Ashish bought sugar equal to 3.5 kg. Both Suyash and Ashish bought different kg of sugar. The question they have asked is, how much sugar did they buy altogether? The sugar they buy altogether is the total weight of sugar. So the fraction is coming addition. Total weight of sugar is equal to 2.5 plus 3.5. You have to solve this addition fraction now. You have to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. That is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 3 into 2 plus 1 upon 2. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 upon 2 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 1 upon 2. That is equal to 4 plus 1 is 5 upon 2 plus 6 plus 1 is 7 upon 2. Now the denominator 2 is equal on both the fractions. You have to add only on numerator if the denominators are equal. That is equal to 5 plus 7 is 12 upon 2. Table which is going, you can do the cancellation. 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. That is 6 upon 1 is 6. Therefore, total weight of sugar is equal to 6 kg. The next sentence of this question, what is given, you have to go through that. If sugar costs 32 rupees per kg, how much did they spend on the sugar they bought? If sugar costs 32 rupees per kg means cost of 1 kg of sugar is given rupees 32. You have to find cost of more than 1 kg of sugar means you have to find cost of 6 kg of sugar. If you are finding cost of more than 1 kg of sugar, you have to multiply 32 into 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. That is equal to 192 rupees. Cost of 6 kg of sugar is 192 rupees. Aradhna grows potatoes in 2/5 part of her garden, greens in 1/3 part and brinjals in the remaining part. On how much of her plot did she plant brinjals? You have to write the statement is Aradhna grows potatoes of her garden is 2/5. Next statement is Aradhna grows greens of her garden is 1/3. Aradhna grows both potatoes and greens of her garden. You have to take addition fraction. That is 2/5 plus 1/3. Both the denominators 5 and 3 on both the fractions are prime numbers. First fraction 2/5 to multiply on numerator and denominator, you have to take opposite denominator 3. Means you have to write cross multiplication form. That is 2/5 multiply 3 on numerator and denominator plus second fraction is 1/3. You have to take opposite denominator 5 to multiply on numerator and denominator of the fraction 1/3. So you have to cross multiply now. 1/3 into 5 on numerator and denominator. That is equal to 2 3s are 6 upon 5 3s are 15 plus 1 5s are 5 upon 3 5s are 15. That is equal to 6 plus 5. Denominator 15 is equal on both the fractions. So denominator 15 you have to write only one time upon 15. Add only on numerator. 6 plus 5 is 11 upon 15. After taking potatoes and greens of Aradhna's garden in addition fraction, remaining part of brinjals that Aradhna grows, you have to take subtraction fraction. Remaining part of brinjals is not given any fraction. So you have to take remaining part of brinjals that Aradhna grows fraction is 1 minus answer which you got addition fraction of potatoes and greens is 11 upon 15. You have to write now cross multiplication form on numerator, that is 1 into 15 minus 11. Here denominator nothing is there, you have to take it 1 and then again you have to write cross multiplication form into 1 upon 15, that is equal to 1 15s are 15 minus 11 ones are 11 upon 15, that is equal to 15 minus 11 how much? 4 upon 15. Therefore remaining part of brinjals that Aradhna grows is equal to 4 upon 15. Sandeep filled water in 4 upon 7 of an empty tank. After that Ramakant filled 1 upon 4 part more of the same tank. Then Umesh used 3 upon 14 part of the tank to water the garden. If the tank has a maximum capacity of 560 liters, how many liters of water will be left in the tank? First statement you have to write is Sandeep filled water of an empty tank is given 4 upon 7. Next statement you have to write is Ramakant filled water of the same tank is given 1 upon 4. Then next statement is Umesh used tank to water the garden is given 3 upon 14. Both Sandeep and Ramakant filled water of the tank. You have to take addition fraction of Sandeep and Ramakant filled water of the tank, that is 4 upon 7 plus 1 upon 4. Then Umesh used tank to water the garden. You have to take subtraction fraction, that is minus 3 upon 14. First fraction 4 upon 7, you have to take the opposite denominator, that is opposite denominator of fraction 4 upon 7 is 4. To multiply on numerator and denominator of the fraction 4 upon 7, you have to multiply by 4 on numerator and denominator, that is 4 upon 7 into 4 on numerator and denominator, plus second fraction 1 upon 4, you have to take opposite denominator 7. You have to take cross multiplication form when you multiply of the fraction 1 upon 4 on numerator and denominator. 1 upon 4 into 7 on numerator and denominator. Third fraction is minus 3 upon 14. Of both the fractions, what you are multiplying on denominator, what answer getting, you have to check that. On first fraction, denominator is 7 into 4. And on second fraction, denominator is 4 into 7. When you multiply these both the fractions on denominator, check that what is getting. 7 4s are 28 and 4 7s are 28. Of both the fractions, denominator 28 is equal. So on third fraction, denominator is 14. 14 numbers of 28 going. So that number you have to multiply by numerator and denominator. That is 14 2s are 28. So you have to multiply by 2 on numerator and denominator in third fraction. Now I have to multiply all the numbers. 4 4s are 16 upon 7 4s are 28 plus 1 7s are 7 upon 4 7s are 28 minus 3 2s are 6 upon 14 2s are 28. That is equal to 16 plus 7 minus 6. All the three fractions denominator 28 is equal. So denominator 28 write only one time. First you have to add on numerator and then you have to subtract. 16 plus 7 how much? 23. 23 minus 6 you have to do 17. That is equal to 17 upon 28. Same question, next sentence, what is given, you have to read that. If the tank has a maximum capacity of 560 liters, how many liters of water will be left in the tank? Statement you have to write, maximum capacity of tank can hold 560 liters. You have to find water left in the tank. Water left in the tank will be the 17 upon 28 part into 560. Table which is going, you have to do the cancellation. Number 560 is going 28 table. 28 ones are 28, 28 twos are 56, 28 zeros are 0. Then you have to multiply 17 into 20. 17 twos are 34, 17 zeros are 0. That is equal to 340. Therefore, water left in the tank is equal to 340 liters. If you understood class 6th maths practice set 10 part 3 on textbook page number 23, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.